skincare is not cheap. Want a good and effective result, skincare is not cheap. You are going to spend money. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rachel and you're welcome to my girly diary. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing simple beginner friendly skincare routine that works for all skin type. So if you've been looking for how to take care of your skin and you don't know where to start from, you are in the right place. First, you need a cleanser. A good cleanser is important because you are going to use your cleanser to wash off your face, your dirt, your makeup, the sunscreen that you apply during the day. So you need a good cleanser, and you there is need for you to double cleanse. Some persons don't really like to double cleanse, or they say it's not necessary, but it is good because, and double cleansing doesn't mean you washing your face twice. It means you either you use a micellar water, you use wipes, or you use a cleansing oil to cleanse your skin. For me, this is what I've been using as a cleansing, as the first step for cleansing. I use a micellar water, and this one from Simple, just like the name, is very simple and it doesn't strip your face. But if you don't like this one, you can use any other one that works well for you. You can skip that part if you don't want, but I do it. Now you need a face wash. Now, like I said, this one too I'm using from Simple too. I like this one because it doesn't strip the skin. It's something you can use day to day. You can use it morning, you can use it in the night, you can use it every day. There's nothing like, oh, it's going to dry your skin out. No, this one is not like that. Next up is a toner. A toner would make your skin more hydrated, but it's optional. If you don't want a toner, you can skip it. But for me, I cannot skip a toner. Like, and this one from Aquel, this toner, I love this one so much because it's hydrating and it also helps to balance the pH. It has licorice inside, which helps to balance your pH. And what you just do basically is you take few drops, apply directly to your face, or you can get a cotton tab, put it in the cotton pad, and use it to clean your face, like apply it on your face. Like I said, a toner is optional, but for me, I am not skipping a toner in my routine. The next step too is a serum. Serum, they say too, is also optional, but if you know you have some skin condition like hyperpigmentation, uneven skin tone, sunburn, and maybe melasma, or so many other things, like you have all these place dark spot and the rest of it, you need a serum, because just cleansing your face and applying moisturizer is not going to get the job done. So you need a serum, because serum targets these issues that you have and they are going to deal with it. For me, I use this Good Molecules discolorating serum. This one has been doing the job for me. See, it's very small, but it gets the job done, and trust me, if you are consistent with it, you are going to see results. The truth of the matter is that there is no healthy skin except God blesses you with a good skin from beginning. Like you have a good, but even if you have a good skin, you still have to maintain it. You understand? You can't be you because you have a good skin, you won't apply sunscreen, you won't wash your face. No, it's not going to be like that. And you know that as you are aging, you have your body is not even responding so well. It's not like you can't compare your skin now to that of a baby. So you have to pay more attention to your skin as you age. And it comes also to what you eat. What you eat, your lifestyle also affects your skin, also affects the way your skin is going to be. You can't be eating junk, you're eating fried food, you are eating things that are not good for your body, and you expect to have a clean and a healthy skin. It doesn't work that way. So you also have to pay attention to what you eat. After you've applied your serum, the next thing you want to do is you go in with a moisturizer. Now, for moisturizers, you need a moisturizer that is suitable for your skin type. If you have oily skin, you have normal skin, you have sensitive skin, just find the one that works for you. Basic thing you have to focus on when you're looking for a product is the ingredients. First of all, you need to know your skin type. Then after knowing your skin type, you need to know the ingredients in a product you are buying. See, it's not because a product is affordable, or it's not because it's expensive that makes it work. No, you have to get product that works for your skin type. Why I'm saying this is because I have been a victim of just getting products. The first time when I transitioned from using organic products to getting good products, good healthy products, any skincare product, I didn't know. I first of all got this simple has different type, different face wash. So I went and got the, I think is the is it replenishing or something like that. I'll put the picture so you see the one I'm talking about. I got it for the moisturizer and the face wash, and within 3 weeks my face, like everything, all the pimple, before you know this one is coming out here, before you know this one is coming out here. And I'm wondering how come it's not the simple product. I didn't make my research very, very well. So it clogged my pores, and oh my goodness, I was so, as in so annoyed with myself. I lost confidence in my skin. To go out like this is was always a problem for me. Like I find it difficult to go out. But later I found out that that wasn't for my skin type. So I had to start making adjustments. And ever since I started using this one, this refreshing face wash, trust me, no issues. So that's why I'm saying look for the one that works for your skin type. Before now, I was using this Cosrx moisturizer. This was one I was using, and it was doing the job. Trust me, it's good. But I just wanted to try another product, and that was why I got this Jumiso um snail and peptide inside face cream. I decided to get this one, and this one also is good. It's not as oily as this Cosrx. I think for me they are both almost the same thing though, almost the same thing. But this one is not as oily as this one. So I'm using this one. You can try out any other product that works for your skin type. So you want to apply moisturizer. You need moisturizer in the morning. You need moisturizer in the night. Whether you have oily skin, whether you have dry skin, any kind of skin that you have, you need a moisturizer. Then lastly, you want to go in with a sunscreen. I don't want to hear, I don't need sunscreen because I am black. Who told you that you don't need a sunscreen? If you're not using a sunscreen and you work all the work that you want to do, use cleanser, use serum, use this, you are going to keep having sunburn. So you need to apply your moisturizer and your sunscreen, sorry. Use your sunscreen every time. But if it's in the night, you don't need a sunscreen in the night. Even when you are at home during the day, maybe you're not going out, you need sunscreen because lights coming in, the light rays coming in from your window when you step out, maybe you're just going to pick something, it can also damage all the work that you've been doing. So that's why you need a sunscreen. For me, I am using this Skin Agua. This is the one I've been using since, and I feel like I just want to stick to it. I don't want to try out something that will not be good for me. But I might also try out some other product though. And that is all I have to share with you guys in today's video. This is just a beginner skincare routine. It's effective, yes, if you are consistent. I just want you to know that skincare is all about consistency. You don't want to joke with it. If you are looking to get results, show you guys a video of what my skin used to look like when I didn't get the right period of my skin. This was what my skin was looking like before. Yeah, I had those dark spots a lot, but this is 1 year after, a year plus, and this is what my skin look like. Even though I still get so black spots, and these dark spots are because of my ingrown hairs, because I always pick them. But don't be like me, please. Skincare is all about consistency. Take your time, try out products, and let me tell you, skincare is not cheap. Yes, skincare is not cheap. If you want a good and effective result, skincare is not cheap. You are going to spend money. But as far as the skin is glowing, as far as the skin is shining, no problem. No problem. That's the main thing. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. And let me know in the comment section which of these products have you tried, and let me know what you think about them. Leave a comment, turn on your notification bell, subscribe to my channel, please. I'm begging you, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.